Obviously, when you're investing in these properties, government-subsidized properties, the higher the government subsidy, the safer the investment is. And this one couldn't be any safer, folks, because you get all $1,400 paid for by the government. The only thing I love more than money is government guaranteed money, and that's exactly what I have for you today. 6900 Lawn Avenue. Now, this is coming to you at $79,999, and the tenant is paying $0 a month in rent. However, on her behalf, the government, Section 8, is paying all $1,400 of her rent, okay? Sometimes when you have a tenant with a government voucher like this, they have to pay some, the government pays the rest. Obviously, when you're investing in these properties, government-subsidized properties, the higher the government subsidy, the safer the investment is. And this one couldn't be any safer, folks, because you get all $1,400 paid for by the government on time, every time. There is never late rent. There's never missed rent. There is never the government calling you saying they got a flat tire and they couldn't go to work this week. It don't work that way, folks. You always get your money. That's why I love Section 8, okay? And this property, more or less turnkey. Tenant's been in there a couple years. Her current lease is good till July 31st, 2025, at which point we'll renew it. We'll have to renew it with Section 8 as well. Section 8 will probably come out, do another annual inspection. It's also not lead certified. They didn't go through, the lead certification program that Cleveland has for all landlords right now, the newer stuff. So you'll probably, in a couple months, need to spend a couple bucks, I guess, a couple grand, something like that, to get it lead certified. In Section 8, will probably have a couple ticky-tack things they want you to do. But other than that, it's set it, forget it, collect $1,400 a month, no friggin' questions asked, man. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you could send my team an offer at sales@HoltonWise.com. You want to pay cash? Cool. You want to finance it? That's totally fine too. Cash offers, send us an email. Include your proof of funds. Financed offers includes your lender pre-approval. You need lenders. I got lenders. I got lenders for you guys of all types, shapes, and sizes, okay? We even have lenders that do low down payment loans for investors. Some of our lenders do 5% down loans for investment properties, believe it or not. So reach out if you need lenders. And if you're out of state and you can't tour the property, that's totally fine. We'll make the offers contingent on inspection, obviously, because we don't actually let anybody bother the tenant until they get their offer accepted. But what I want everyone to do now is stick around, because I'm going to show you, you've been seeing the clips of the property tour there. I'm going to show you all that footage now in its uncensored form, so you guys really get an understanding of exactly the condition of the house you're buying. Take a look now.
I want to be like, oh, he's here, and then you're still walking around,
6,900 loan, obviously shared driveway.
6,900, nice.
Alright. Looks good. Used to be a window there. I can't go that way. There's a fucking thing on.
Yeah, are you referring to the basement?
Front of 6,900. Little old side porch area. All right.
Were you dealing with 3411? Does that sound?
That's the lady for
I opened her text by accident.
What'd she say?
I just wanted to reach out and make sure all involved with the contracts and they were able to do everything. I just have to make it to the bank tomorrow and then was going to sign the lease and send over the deposit.
Okay.
Should I just say something like we'll follow up with her?
Yeah, just tell her, be like, I'll follow up with you tomorrow. I'm in
I'll
Canton.
try to follow up with you tomorrow about everything.
Alright, I'm ready. I don't know. My guess is she knows they're here.
Yeah. I assume so as well. Hey, how's it going? We kind of in and out. Did you have any issues going on here? I know the flooring was an issue here.
Right. I was told you to just come and get pictures.
It's like a quick video. Basically. I'm just gonna try to highlight all the issues though. Like we already got the outside, but any flooring, you know, any holes in the wall that you stuff like that you can actually get the shoulder number. If you want to point it out.
No, we don't have like holes in the wall.
Yeah, just any like defects is what I usually say because I like to highlight them, like this flooring and stuff like that. Other than that, they're basically just trying to get like the dimensions and layout stuff like that.
It's mainly just like the floors and the gaps in between like the walls and stuff like that. Yeah. In the bedroom, that's where that's where the main thing is.
And then we should be able to get in the basement and right too for the hot water tank on that. Okay.
Yeah, because I want to get the floor from underneath there too.
Yeah, so we'll just be in and out real quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll try to get all of that stuff just so it's on file, whatever you want to call it. But
Yeah. The whole thing should take me less than like 10 minutes.
should be in and out. I know the.
It goes way quicker than trying to do, so they'll make pictures based off of this.
Yeah. Basically freeze frame over.
Yeah.
Said
Yeah, there's a bit. Yes. Yeah. Flooring.
Yeah, go for sure. I had to personally put something over his phone right here.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, that's definitely one not for that. Over here, Matt, over here too.
She and me today,
Yeah,
I mean,
I don't
we'll
know.
play it cool, you
You
know,
can
she be giving
see
mixed
it in
signals,
my
so
foot.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
You ladies ready first, of course? Yes! So we're gonna do a pink and a yellow team.
Not secure. I mean, that one's like
Well, then,
bouncing around.
have it put together. They're like falling apart.
Race today. Pink versus yellow. Whoever gets all of their people across first wins. I think our strategy is just to be
Kitchen.
fair.
Oh, hey, puppy.
I don't know if I got that from my dad, but
Jeez Louise. It's flooring.
It's like
Messed up.
the flooring was supposed to be like a whole different thing now.
Yeah.
this one,
No, I didn't. A little paint job?
Mm-hmm.
penalty. And then you got rope stairs. This is what I
And then, are we gonna go up? Because I'll do up and then the basement.
Yeah, let me just double check. I think we're good now.
last one, she indoors.
Are we,
No. But there's like
yeah, that's more for just the layout to show that there's a number of bedrooms and stuff like that. So if anything, we pop in.
Oh my god, Rick's in here. She said good.
Yeah, we're good. This is the basement, right?
I believe so.
So we'll do that last one.
Yeah.
I'll double check it if you want.
I was gonna say, I haven't been to this unit
Yeah, I try to remember the layout.
in a long time. No, I think I'm good. Pretty sure that's a closet. Can I pop in here real quick? I won't film you, I just need to I was just doing the video walkthrough. I try to keep you out of it, so if you want to like slide behind me right quick, I'll be able to. Damn, and then this side. You playing Roblox?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, we're good. Thank you. Appreciate you.
This week only, large.
Oh god, you scared the life out of me. Is it cool if I pop in? I won't film you guys, I just need to go inside. And just so I don't get you. Just.
I just came home and it was like, it fell off and I did not know how.
Oh, that thing? Yeah.
I was so confused.
It happens. Oh. I'll get this wrap for you though.
Those was already going for the
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it looks like they use the same type of flooring throughout. You know, it's just like it didn't never click together. So, well, thank you. Say bye. I'm done. Bye. This is just a closet right here.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, just a closet. Alright.
You're talking pizzas at Domino's are just $6.99 each when you carry out. Like melty pepperoni, green pepper, or ham and tangy pineapple. The combinations are pretty endless. Act fast and eat your favorite large topping pizza for just $6.99 each. Listed only at Domino's.
There's a gap under the thing. She says might come through this dead one on the trap right there.
Oh, snap.
Might as well get on the film so
Yeah.
you see it.
Yeah. That's why I left my closet too, so you can see all the problems.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, all the negative stuff I want to
Yeah.
make sure we get on video. So it's, we can show it to them and they can see everything, you know?
Whoo!
And then we should just be able to do
Boys are steep. Oh my goodness.
I think after that we should be good. Maybe do a little exterior stuff.
Yep, after this I'm done.
Okay. Yeah, you ready to do the outside?
Yeah.
Need me to come down there with you?
Nah, you're good.
You get this too.
Probably I got the camera facing down, but I'll get on the way up.
Yeah, for sure.
Forgot this boy is like 90 degrees. Alright, come on. He's like already. There's the panel. There's this. Ooh, that's not good. Water tank. Beautifully labeled. Love to see it. And then it looks like this beam is just going bad. Yeah, see? Pulling away. It is still supported. It's got a steel one in the middle. So, alright. That's really all I need except for that's crazy. Boy. Yeah, it's already got some temp supports. Wall supports. Sister 2x4s.
Well, yeah, so like, you mean for the stairs and stuff like that? Yeah, so we only made it. So if we own it, when we don't own it, basically, it's not our property. We need approval from them. And that's the property management, that's where you run into a lot of hiccups. lot of people we don't fix stuff. But it's like in reality, we probably would have this place when we were doing things. So a lot of these are, hey man, you know, the flooring needs to be done, this needs to be done, this needs to be done, here's the estimate for it. It'll take this long. And usually they go, okay, yeah, take care of it, here's the money. And then we can go through stuff, but sometimes we don't get it ready.
Cool, see you.
Come in here and show you.
Her bedroom closet has some stuff in it too.
Okay.
This floor is the same.
Yeah, I did get the little vents, and I saw these big cracks. What we got going on here?
The floor from the where I got stuff tucked is where the mics is getting in. Now.
Oh, okay.
And all the droppings. I
I
barely
see.
have this. I have this door closed all the time, but they so little they still get in.
Yeah, they could crawl through
Yeah.
the tiniest little hole.
Yeah.
But that's why, like when you have an issue, we're always like, make sure you report it, make sure you report it, make sure you report it. Because you reporting it gives me something that I can go to the owner and go, hey man, she's complaining about this.
Right.
It's not just us.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.